Smaddy, please tell me why all kind of 2020 Corona dopey I choose to come text set now upon Koffee? Why every time we find somebody to put Jamaica on top, all kind of crosses always want to come wash them out upon them like you want to hold them back? Want tell the girl what to wear? Eh? Who are you to define her worth? Me I go beg on the old drunko for come Leguh off a Koffee shirt. Motor hype, you know you's a dirty crosses. You're worse than COVID. You know nice. It's like the only time we get a break from you when them have you locked down a foreign one day upon ice. You have a history full of put down with women. You ever build strife. You always depend on gay topics. Awa, Nika mash up your life. If you think a lie me I tell, go over YouTube, go check out the facts. Photo I come in like any old careless market woman. You know see them photoshopping with in a frock. Me convince him hate woman. The bumper to him forehead really mess with him. You know see all the man them are threatening for rape him change their mind. Oh God, nobody don't want him. You Rasta girl Aisha Farai, why try put on the youngster? You miss the whole of the rotted message cause you're too distracted by the messenger. Gratitude is a must. Say thanks to Koffee girl, cause she give you a bus. Cause all I know we don't know about you yet. All was an expert we know about. Go with the idiot song, girl. Koffee win Grammy, why you win? Girl, keep by your blasted mouth. Where did they nowadays when them are still compete if and wear locks? Why never did build song? Eh? You lack creativity and originality. Pass the book, girl, give you a big dirty wrong bang. You not trick nobody with the man the way you pose up with. When you say a rainbow closet you been to, you declare it in your song for your own self. You want to know if a man or a woman Koffee into. Hey! You look like you all look smarty. Koffee no want you, my love. Which part are you fancy? If you alone for being a lockdown, Koffee ought not have no vacancy. If Koffee did wear some short up shorts or arrest or pum pum, and I love that. Because them time they wouldn't have to assume what they underneath her frock. That's what you men believe. Eh? That women are your subjects. You want to come manipulate and dictate to us? We are not your objects. This is a new age. Fresh style and fresh flow. The music industry is evolving and some little weeds inside it, they don't want the fresh seeds to grow. Only Jamaicans have a tendency to bring down one another. Drunko, only no shame. Apart from the Grammy what she win, only hear no foreign people call up Koffee name. The girl not obligated to none of you. She have her life to live. She have found value through her music because of that she have to give. Who are man take man and who are woman you liberal. This is a modern rotted time. Nobody no need nobody approval. Nobody not trouble the man them in a dancer with them tight pants, earrings and false hair. So I don't know Lord Koffee and make sure wear what she want wear. She don't want to know no explanation on the don't name God and wait till I'm ready to deal with someone on the dirty deeds I'm gonna have. Koffee, listen to the words of the great Marcus Garvey. Let no voice but your own speak to you from the depths. I bet your dirty footer never hear them words there yet. Footer, you's a damn disgrace to our ancestor. Them never fight for you to be free. And all you can do with the freedom now, come harass Koffee. Dirty boy, when you see Koffee, toast her. Leave the female entertainer them alone. Because if them don't produce hit songs, you have to pack up your old little jump and sound and stay home. Chat and laugh, have a buzz. But me not sure about you. Cause look like from COVID start to keep, you have nothing productive to do. Go back inside, footer. Why did you come out? Quarantine yourself, auntie, especially your mouth. The whole of you love pass judgment. What a day when judgment pass you. Pick the beam out on your eye. Have that to know for do. You know must the customs. You want everybody to declare them sexual orientation. Go! I'm going to name a dirty condemnation. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Sandra.